Hello everyone, welcome back to Zimist Coded. I hope you're doing well today. In this video, I'm going to show you a brand new feature that just landed in Google Chrome. And honestly, it's one of the coolest updates we've seen in a while. It's called Split View, and it lets you place two web pages side by side inside the same tab. Yes, the same tab. No more dragging multiple windows around or cluttering your screen. Chrome now does it all for you. Before we begin, make sure your browser is updated to a newer version. This feature is still new, so you'll need the latest Chrome to enjoy it. All right, let's jump right in. Split View basically lets you compare two pages instantly. You can watch a video on one side while taking notes on the other, read an article while checking references, or just multitask comfortably without switching tabs every second. Now, there are two simple ways to open a split view. Let me show you the first one. I'm going to take this tab and slowly drag it to the right edge of the Chrome window. Watch carefully. As soon as I get close to the edge, Chrome highlights the area. And when I release it, there we go. The view splits automatically. Nice and easy. This feels really smooth. The way Chrome just snaps it into place is almost satisfying, and it's so clean, it really makes multitasking feel natural. Now, if you want to separate the views again, there's a simple way to do that too. Just click on the Arrange Split View button next to the refresh icon. From there, select Separate Views, and just like that, everything goes back to the default layout. Very handy when you're done comparing and want a clean workspace again. Now let's try the second method. This one is even simpler. Just right-click on any tab and select New Split View with Current tab. And instantly, Chrome places both pages side by side for you. Once you're in Split View, you can adjust the size of both pages by dragging the divider. Make one page wider, make the other smaller. Whatever setup works best for you. This is perfect for comparing documents, doing research, watching tutorials, or referencing information while you work. So whether you're a student trying to learn faster, a professional managing multiple pages, or just someone who loves keeping things organized, the new Split View feature in Google Chrome is absolutely made for you. Thank you so much for watching today's tutorial on Zimist Coded. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more simple tech tips and brand new feature updates. I'll see you in the next video.